Good morning. First of all, I will introduce myself. I'm Anang Setiawan Ahmadi, the head of the Research Center for Ecology and Ethnobiology, National Research and Innovation Agency. My role here as the government research institution, we have to provide data, the comprehensive data and information, which from that results we can give or we support the recommendations to the ministries relating with the policies, the national policies, the government policies. And I think right now we have so many activities related with this project, especially in the seed supply system, and we have really great collaborations with all the key stakeholders related with this project.
Hai, selamat sore. Saya Dede Mahmiludin, Kepala UPTD Sertifikasi dan Perbenihan Tanaman Hutan, Dinas Kehutanan Provinsi Jawa Barat. Peran yang kami lakukan dalam rangka perbenihan tanaman hutan, especially di Jawa Barat, adalah quality control. Quality control untuk benih, mutu benih, quality control untuk sumber benih, and quality control untuk bibit. Selain itu juga kami mengawasi peredaran perbenihan tanaman hutan untuk Provinsi Jawa Barat.
I can mention that one of the achievement that really proud, like we have a few research really related with the restorations of the critical land, restoration from the forest fire, and also we also right now try to establish the good model for the restorations, land rehabilitations. Also, we try to support the government from the national commitment related with the ENDC, which is right now we have to provide methodology which can be the references for the national or hopefully for the international also.
Hal yang membanggakan bagi kami, hal yang membuat kami optimis bahwa UPTD Sertifikasi Perbenihan Tanaman Hutan ini diberi mandat untuk menjaga kualitas tanaman hutan, untuk menjaga kualitas kehutanan masa depan. Jadi kami sangat concern terhadap menjaga kualitas dari perbenihan tanaman hutan.
So many challenges right now. I mean from the upstream into the downstream, from the beginning into policies or into the implementation. It's so many challenges, but I think this will be not just us as the research institution to face or to fight for the challenges, but we have to really have a collaborations with many stakeholders, many key stakeholders from the government, from the private, and especially with the community, because one of our priority also how we support the community empowerment based on the research and innovations that we have the technology, we have the methodology. I think we have to be optimistic that we can produce something that really useful for everyone.
Oh iya, tantangan kita ke depan itu ya terutama teknologi untuk perbanyakan benih tanaman hutan. Benih tanaman hutan itu banyak keterbatasan untuk bisa istilahnya itu quick yielding. Benih tanaman hutan itu memerlukan terobosan-terobosan teknologi yang revolusioner, sehingga itu bisa menjadi tumpuan bagi masyarakat untuk kegiatan restorasi dan perbaikan lahan.
So far right now, we conducting we providing the system, the monitoring system for the seed and seedling source and sources also, and also the area. I think that's the good information for the implementer. Maybe not just for the implementer, also for all the related stakeholder. And I think for the closing, so one of the BRIN facility that we have, like the deposit collections about the seeds, which is the information inside is really useful for the future.